Hi, I'm Checkman Ted, and today we're fixing a garbage disposal. So my wife told me that the garbage disposal wasn't working. It would spin, but the food would get stuck in there. So I took it apart and I found the problem. So I want to show you what the problem is and how we're going to fix it. Let's take a look. Took this cover off. There's 3 screws that hold this top on. So I cleaned all this out. This is just caked with food and yuckiness. Problem is this thing spins, but these little buggers, they're rusted in place. Yeah. The hard part is getting the wire bristles inside of the little hole where the mechanism spins on, so I can get the rust out of there and get the rust off the surface underneath the mechanism. Hey, how's it going? So it's been a couple years since I've worked on this garbage disposal, and I thought we'd show you if it still works. Let's check it out. Alright, here it is. Got a light here. And some rust in there, but these things are not rusted in place. Okay, so it still works. It's been a couple years, but I do see rust. And if that's stainless, it should not be rusting. So I'm disappointed in that. But so far so good, and maybe at some point I'll have to take it apart again and scrape it. But at least it's working. Alright, so hit a thumbs up if you like it. Hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.